400 milliliter of water, 200 gram of palm sugar, 100 gram of sugar, Kue Dadar Gulung. It seems that all of us know this type of traditional cake. It's so close to our lives and is often enjoyed, and its existence is widely sold in markets or in food stalls. A half teaspoon of salt, 1 grated coconut. Exactly. This traditional Indonesian cake is easy to find and is identical with sweet and savory flavors and has a grated coconut filling in it. And for your information, Kue Dadar Gulung is one of the traditional Indonesian cakes originating from the island of Java. But the name of Kue Dadar Gulung seems to be different in some areas, such as Malaysians call it kuih ketayap or kuih lenggang. 200 gram of all-purpose flour, 50 gram of tapioca starch, a half teaspoon of salt, 320 milliliter of water, but quoted by some sources, the beginning of Kue Dadar Gulung is known as pancake by the Romans. And the pancakes were immensely a popular food in European society around 1430 after Christ. Meanwhile, in its development, it turns out that pancakes were also adopted by other countries such as Germany, France, America, and others. And honestly speaking, it's quite easy to make it, and also we can make our own on the appearance of the skin with very small tips according to our taste. And today there are so many creative people develop both the taste and the appearance of this cake. And as it is known that in general, Kue Dadar Gulung is given a green color that comes from food coloring or pandan leaves. And the contents inside are grated coconut mixed with brown sugar, which is called unti. And for your information, we can create the stuffing of Kue Dadar Gulung in various kinds of unti. For example, bananas are cut into small pieces, then fried until wilted, and mixed with messes and sweetened condensed milk. Or else, it could be stuffing using cornstarch dissolved with water with small pieces of chocolate bars. Now we can create it according to our taste, both on the appearance of the skin or the fillings. So that the look of Kue Dadar Gulung becomes more beautiful and attractive.